Hey everybody, this is Julia Francis with the Seattle Row for the Cure 2017 Planning Committee. Thanks so much for taking a few minutes to see how you set up a team page and individual page on our new Classy.org fundraising platform. We're really excited about using Classy this year. It has a very simple interface. It's going to allow people to set up teams for the rowing clubs very quickly, as well as set up individual pages, but allow you some customization within your team page and individual pages, as well as have a really cool looking dashboard of all of the different team fundraising as you compete for, again this year, the Pink Ergs. So yes, we are doing Pink Ergs again this year for the top masters and the top youth fundraising teams. And we also have some fun giveaways for individual fundraisers, including our hot air balloon ride, some pogies, and some hydro flasks. So again, thank you for taking a few minutes. It's only going to take us about 5 minutes to go through the team and individual page setup. So this year our theme is Pink in the Park. Reason being is during the regatta and just following the regatta, we will be celebrating Row for the Cure at the Gasworks Park area there north on Lake Union. In order to get your page set up, first you want to go to the URL and you want to click here to become a fundraiser. When you click on Become a Fundraiser, it's going to ask you to have an option of setting up as an individual, joining a team, or creating a team. We're going to start first by creating the team. If for any reason you do set up a page as an individual and you're not linked to your team, absolutely let us know, because we can link you to a team if you need to after it's been created. So we'll go here first and click Create a Team. It's going to ask you for your team name. I personally am part of Lake Stevens Rowing Club, so I'm going to set up the LSRC Rowing Club team page as an example. So first I want to put in my team name, and then I want to set my team fundraising goal. It automatically defaults to $5,000. I'm going to go ahead and raise it up just a little bit and have our team goal for $7,000. When you enter the team page, there is a headline that people will see when they join and review and view your page. You can keep what we have here as the default text, or you have the option to customize it. I'm going to go ahead and put Join LSRC as the Pacific Northwest Rowing Community raises money for Seattle Row for the Cure. If I would like, I can also create a short URL that is a smaller link and is personalized, customized, if you will, for my team page. So what that does is it puts my customized URL at the end of the giveclassy.org URL. So I'm going to go ahead and put LSRC Row for the Cure. And then I'm going to create my team. So what I've just done has added all of that information to my team page. After that information's been updated, I have the option of replacing the default logo, Row for the Cure, with my personal club logo. I'm going to go ahead and do that by clicking Change and then uploading my file. I'm going to pick the LSRC logo and then I'm going to insert it. I have this ability here to resize it so that it fits into the frame. A little bit larger. And now once I have it the size that I want, I just click Save. It's going to update my team photo here. And then once it's updated, I'm going to click Continue. After I've done my update, my team page is now created and it's ready to go. As you can see, it has the standard Pink in the Park theme as our image. And then below that is information that, again, you can customize. You can customize your logo. You can customize this information here when people enter. One way to share and promote your team page is over here to the right. You can do it via Facebook, Twitter, and direct email. When you click on any of those options, it'll prompt you for your team Facebook, for your team Twitter account, or your own email account to send it through. You also have the ability to view a lot of information about your club during the fundraising period. You have leaders, so those are individual leaders within the club and their numbers. You'll have all of the members if you would like to view them. And then you can also add information and comments that will fall under your story and update material. Now over here to the left, it gives me the option to join a team. So if I am a rower with Lake Stevens Rowing Club, I would go here and I would click Join Team to become a fundraiser within this team. If I'm joining as a supporter of your club, I can go here and I can donate to the club overall, or I can look here under your members if there's a particular member that I would like to support through their fundraising. Also over here to the left are some general metrics. I will see how far our club is towards our $7,000 goal, and I will also see the overall Row for the Cure goal and how far they are towards their goal here. Additionally, lastly, what you see on the left is team ranking. Now, right now, we're just started, so Lake Stevens is the first club we've added. Over time, more clubs are going to be added here, and you can see their overall goal towards their fundraising, and then again, that competition for the pink ergs. So now what I'm going to show you is how to join a team and set up my own individual page. So I click here on Join Team, and it's going to prompt me to set my own personal goal. So instead of the default, which is 500, I'm actually going to raise it to 1500. I have my own headline greeter, which says Join the Pacific Northwest Rowing Community. I can change that, or I can add to it. And I can just say here, thank you for supporting me at Row for the Cure. Anything you want to add there, up to 180 characters. Similar to my club, I can have my own short URL, and I can say LSRC Julia Francis. And then when I set my page up, it'll have that personalization. Now here under choosing photo, it has the default of Row for the Cure again. I can keep that as my default, or I can change it. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click continue, and I'm just going to keep the Row for the Cure as is. And now I'm all set up. I have my individual page with my own personal goal, and all that my friends and family need to do is go here and click donate to donate to my personal page. Anything that I have in terms of updates, people can add to my information and what have you, and comment on my page. That will happen here. And then over here to the left are again goal information. So my club's goal, and then my Row for the Cure. Again, down below here is where friends can comment, and I can have information about my donors as well. So it's pretty straightforward. If you have any questions at all on how you get started in Classy, setting up a team page, setting up your individual page, please be sure and email us at seattle@rowforthecure.com. We hope to see you on September 17th this year at our regatta. It's going to be a really fun time at Gasworks Park. We're going to have some vendors there. The Komen 3-day walk is going to be happening. We're very thankful for the support of Komen, as well as the George Pocock Rowing Foundation and their support for Row for the Cure. Thanks so much. Have a great day.